to my channel. So for today's video is my 2021 dream goal. I want to manifest. I didn't make a dream board this year because, well, first of all, we didn't have ink, so you know I couldn't print out pictures, but it's okay because I wrote them down. Yes, I wrote them down, and I can't wait to share with y'all my goals this year. We're gonna manifest this year, boos. We got this. And just real quick, just like look at my makeup. Sorry if you see hair, but and I did a little stud, and I'm wearing some hoops. Look at me, trying to, you know, present myself a little bit more better. But I hope you guys enjoyed my video today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That would be really helpful. And don't forget to turn your bell notifications to be notified every time I post a new video, so you won't miss your boo posting. Period. I don't have any gold jewelry, so I don't have any rings. I mean, gold jewelry, gold rings or anything to match with my, like, well, these are rose gold, but you know, from the camera they look a little gold, so I'm wearing like some gold. I need some gold rings and stuff like that. So first, in my book, my first goal of 2021 is to wear more jewelry. I haven't been really wearing jewelry. Like last year, I didn't really wear jewelry. Like, I wasn't fond of it because if I don't see it, I'm not gonna wear it. But this year, how I changed up how I put my jewelry in, and now I'm like able to see everything. So now I'm get to like start wearing more jewelry, and I'm pretty happy because I look really good. Jewelry can make an outfit go from this to this. Okay, you see that? How high it gets? Like, I need to start wearing more jewelry because I'm loving it. Like, it looks really good instead of being like very plain and like, you know, confident in myself. And I feel like I look really good with jewelry, and it really like enhances my beauty. So I need to start wearing more jewelry for this year. Give me any kind of jewelry. I want to be all out, very simple, very dainty. But I need to start wearing more jewelry, and I need to start buying more jewelry so I can wear more jewelry, you know? Next is learn more hairstyles to do because I'm very boring. All I do is sometimes I just curl it or have it straight, and I want to learn more styles. So I've been learning how to do, I think it's called a Dutch braid. But I was watching a friend. I want to learn how to French braid because I want to do different hairstyles with my hair. I want to be like super cute, not always having my hair down or in a triangle or just curled. I want to do something different with my hair. So I've been trying to learn how to do some French braids. I'm kind of getting there, but I'm still not good at it. But as I was saying, I was trying to learn how to do French braid, but I was actually watching a Dutch braid video. Yes, I was watching a Dutch braid video. I was so upset. I was like, oh my god, I've been learning a different whole style. But I mean, I've been getting the hang of that one too. So look at one of these videos. I'll be wearing some braids. So yeah, it doesn't have to be like braids or anything, but just like learning different styles. Like I can do braids going this way and then a little half up, half down. But it's just something a little different than what I usually do. So I'm just really trying this year to do different hairstyles with my hair. Just little add a pizzazz in my life, you feel me? Is to expand my purses. I really don't have like purses that are like out there, and I really want to start collecting some more. As I was saying, I don't have any purses like or out there very like expensive. I don't have like Louis or anything, but that'd be a dream of mine, just to have a very high-end purse. That'll be one day. But yeah, I don't have like that much very collection of my purses. I only have very little, and I don't like that because sometimes it doesn't even match all my outfits I wear. So I want to have like different colors, different styles. So I've been growing that lately, and I've been loving it. I've been switching out every week to have a little different vibe. I need to expand my purses. So as a goal of mine, just to buy a little more purses, different styles, different colors. Next is try different clothing styles, and I want to like style it up, even just wearing basic, but just to add a more pizzazz, like a nice coat over this, a nice blazer over this, and some nice jeans and some nice heels. Like that's how I want to dress. I want to dress really differently sometimes, you know, just add a more pizzazz in my channel so y'all can see what kind of styles I want to be showing y'all. Like I have some saved on my Pinterest, so I've been really trying to like change up my style a little bit, add more clothes, try different looks on myself. If you got ideas too, is like social media wise, I want to on my YouTube. Last year, I had hit a goal to hit 1K, and I hit it. Thank y'all so much for that. This year I want to hit 10K subscribers on YouTube. I know I can do it. Anybody can do it. I know I can do it. I'm gonna manifest and I'm gonna do it. If I pass over 10K, hell be it. I will. My goal is to really grow my channel this year, like really expand it. Very like I want my channel to blow up. I love this hobby. I love making videos. I love sharing with you guys. I just love the vibe of YouTube. I really want to grow my YouTube this year. And next, for otherwise, I want to grow my Instagram. Yes, I really want to grow my Instagram. Maybe hit 10K too. I would love to hit 10K on my Instagram this year because I know I can do it. Oh my god, there's hair in my face all the time. But I know I can do it. I want to really grow my channel. It doesn't even have to be 10K, but at least to grow my channel. That's my goal. I just want to grow. Yeah, that's it. I just really want to grow my social medias this year. Like very. Next is having a positive mind throughout the whole year. I know last year I was really positive, but sometimes you'll have your bad days, and I wasn't being positive. But you know, this year, even if there's a bad day, I'm still gonna be positive. So this year is all about positivity. If you ain't positive, get out of my life, boo boo. That's how. Period. We don't need no negative or likes. We need to be positive, enjoy life, you know, period. Just like living it. That's what I want to do. And just be positive. And if you're being positive, things will come your way. If you be positive, be kind, things will come your way. It doesn't have to be right now or later, but one day it'll come. And you're going to really be appreciative of that. Next is like fitness-wise. Fitness-wise? Yes. So lately I've been drinking a lot more water, so my goal this year is to drink a lot of water. And I've been doing that since beginning of January, and I've been drinking a lot of water, and I've been loving it because my skin's doing so good. Like, my skin has been like loving it. Like, I've been more hydrated. I've been drinking lots of water. I think I drink like about 3 to 4 a day, and I used to just drink like half of one. Like, honestly, half of one. But this year I've been on my grind. I haven't stopped. I've been drinking a lot of water. I haven't really been drinking like really fruity drinks. I only drink that like maybe on Fridays when I get like out to eat food. I'll have a little taste, or maybe I'll have a little bit of Starbucks, but I don't have it every day, or like sweet drinks, because I'm trying to clear up my skin. Because this year I want to have really good skin. I want to clear up my scars. I want to have that good, glowy, healthy looking skin. Like, I really want that. And next is to work out. I started yesterday. Let me tell y'all, I'm fucking sore. Like, oh my god, I woke up this morning, I was like, I can't move. But yes, my mom and I are starting to work out, so I need to get my summer body. At least it doesn't have to be like very like all out there, like work out like with weights and shit, but just like to work your body out and move your body, give it a little stretch. That's my goal this year. At least once a day, or at least once a week, twice a week, at least do something with my body, so I just don't be sitting there and just, you know, letting my body go. And I really want to make a snatch and really just work out my body and just health wise. Next is go on a weekend trip. That's my goal this year. I would like for my parents and I to go out of the city, drive somewhere. I live in Texas, so I really would like to go a different spot in Texas. I really want to see like a different city and stuff like that. So that's my goal. Or one day we can go out of state. I don't know. But I just want to go on a weekend trip, just on the beach, or just look at trees out of nowhere, spin nature. That's a vibe I want to get. Ooh, I love that. Next is saving extra money whenever I need. So I want to start saving money because I might need it one day. My brush just came out of my container, but yes, I want to start just saving money here and there. Just it could be $1 to $5 to $10 to $20. Just start saving just here and there. So whenever I want to spoil myself, or whenever I need that extra money for something I want to get, it's right there. I don't have to think like, oh, I have to wait because I want to save money and I can get something that I want in the future. So that is my goal this year. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. These are my goals for 2021. Who's living the vibes? I'm loving the look. Yes, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please turn on your notifications to be notified every time I post a new video. If you haven't watched my other recent videos, don't forget to watch them. And I hope you guys have an amazing day. Be positive. Remember. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!